Hello everyone, this is Mihir with True Door Property Management, here to present to you a beautiful one bedroom, one bath condo here in Irvine. Address is going to be 208 Springview. And right when you walk in, you are greeted with the living room area, which does have a nice balcony, which I'll take you to in just a second. So again, here is the living room area. Nice vaulted ceilings, makes the room feel a little bit bigger. And then it does lead into the dining room and kitchen area. It does have tiled floorings and a nice lighting fixture here over the dining table. And then matching countertops as well. It does have a stove, microwave, and fridge here. There is laundry available on site. Not here on the property, but it does have a laundry room. There's the sink. And then I'll take you quickly outside to see what it's like in the community. So again, here is a very good sized balcony. You know, you can fit some furniture here if you want to sit out and enjoy the beautiful SoCal weather. There is a pool unit over there and jacuzzi. And then you have like a little running creek through the entire community. So it's a nice little feature. And then I'll take you into the bedroom and bathroom area. Again, this is a one bed, one bath. So here is the bedroom. Pretty good size, you know, fit everything you need in here. And then it does connect into the bathroom area. Bathroom does have two mirrored closeted doors. So here is one of them. So there is the closet. Does have some nice built-in features to help organize. And then single vanity here, and then your second mirrored closet. And then you will have the bathroom with a nice shower head and tiled floorings. All right, so that is the one bedroom, one bath here at 208 Springview in Irvine. If you're interested, please visit our website, www.truedoorpm.com, to submit an application. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.